If you want to turn on voice navigations or talkback guidance while using Google Maps on your Android or iPhone, then let me show you how you can enable or disable Google Maps audio directions in just a few taps.
Then turn right onto 6th Avenue, Avenue of the Americas.
So open Google Maps on either your iPhone or Android device, and if you have already created a route, then you can easily turn on voice navigation by clicking on this speaker icon, and from these three options, you need to select the one on the right, which is unmute. And you also need to make sure that your phone's volume is turned up. There's also some settings that you need to adjust for it to work properly. So to do that, first we need to exit out, and then tap on your profile photo. From there, select Settings, then find Navigation Settings. From here, first of all, make sure that it's unmuted, and you can also increase its volume. And if your phone is connected to your card, then you need to turn on Play Voice over Bluetooth. Then you can enable voice during phone calls and play audio cues. After that, we will scroll all the way down, and from here, if you want more detailed voice guidance while you're walking, then just enable this option. After that, whenever you're using Google Maps, you'll get the full audio guidance support.
Head northwest on West 53rd Street towards 6th Avenue, Avenue of the Americas. Then turn right onto 6th Avenue, Avenue of the Americas.
And anytime you want to turn it off, then you can just tap on the speaker icon and mute it from here. And that's how simply you can turn on or off voice guidance on Google Maps. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so that you're always on track, and I'll see you soon.